If you're looking to improve your Toyota 4Runner's performance and throttle response, a tuner could be the solution. Throttle controllers and tuners help eliminate delays, improve acceleration, and give you more control over your driving experience. In this review, we'll explore the top options available for the Toyota 4Runner to help you choose the best one for your needs. Links to the products can be found in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Starting with the YIBEICO electronic throttle accelerator, this is a great budget option. It's designed to remove response delays in the gas pedal, making your 4Runner feel more responsive and adaptable to your driving style. The device offers 9 driving modes, including Comfort, Sport, Racing, and Fuel-saving modes, with adjustable intensity levels for each. It's easy to install, featuring a plug-and-play design, and the clear LED display shows mode and intensity levels, making adjustments simple while driving. Overall, it's an affordable option that improves throttle response significantly without breaking the bank. Next up is the FukinTuned throttle controller, a top contender for the best overall option. This device is compatible with the Toyota 4Runner and removes throttle signal delays, allowing for faster acceleration. With 36 unique throttle maps tailored specifically for the 4Runner, you can customize your driving experience based on your preferences. The plug-and-play design makes installation a breeze, and there's even an anti-theft mode that disables your gas pedal, providing added security. Additionally, the FN Slow mode can reduce throttle response to boost fuel efficiency when needed, making it a versatile choice for any 4Runner owner. Finally, we have the Pedal Commander, a premium choice for enhancing your 4Runner's performance. This device offers 4 driving modes: Eco, City, Sport, and Sport Plus, allowing you to fine-tune your throttle response for a variety of driving conditions. The Pedal Commander improves acceleration and gives you superior control in diverse situations. It's easy to install with a plug-and-play design, and you can control it with the free Pedal Commander app. One of its standout features is that it won't void your Toyota 4Runner's warranty, and it works seamlessly with other performance modifications, making it a great option for enthusiasts. In conclusion, each of these tuners offers unique benefits depending on your needs. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a customizable all-around device, or a performance-enhancing upgrade, there's a throttle controller that will fit your Toyota 4Runner perfectly. Be sure to check out the links to these products in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and updates.